Just a few dozen hours until the party gets started with the launch of Faraday Future's FX vehicles, an event that could be the driving force to establish into the low $2 range, perhaps even reaching for the first 2-fib extension levels if FX lives up to the hype. If not, a muted reaction can see price return to this familiar range, in which case it'll be crucial to keep closing over the firm uptrend line towards August, because breaking under it can shake confidence to decelerate FF back towards this key lower boundary, if there are even just 2 red days in a row with volume over 18 million. So remember, don't drink and drive, even if it is an all-electric intelligent self-driving EV. Sober Safe can help after a few bullish beers. This small stock knows not to party too hard. Just look at how it settled down after its little hop last week. If there's a close under $4, it's likely the gap will be filled in for a minor rebound. If those rowdy bulls come back in, it'll likely be for a week at most, with the $5 to $7 range taking center stage. In the event, a major catalyst comes in the form of something like a large customer or approval adopting the Sober Safe platform. In contrast, Opendoor has closed back over the moderate gap down from May, with a similarly sized gap up. Helped by the company launching its new Key Agent app, designed to streamline the home assessment process for real estate agents. The app aims to make home assessments faster and more accurate, and the company plans to use the enhanced data to fine-tune its home valuation models and repair estimation algorithms, spurring hopes this can pay off big further down the road. If this sentiment does prevail, it will be vital to get at least 3 closes over $1. Otherwise, long-standing concerns over cash burn and decline in homes sold can send price into a nosedive, much like the turbulent drops XTI has after the halo around Trifan's 600 announcements fade. So unless there's a major technological and/or regulatory breakthrough to get this bird closer to the skies, another trip to $5 is less likely than remaining at low cruising altitude plus or minus 30 to 50 cents around $2. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.